into this video, we are going to take a close look at how to create a visible folder on our desktop. So the first step is to create a new folder. Okay, so we're going to right click on our mouse and we're going to come to new, and we're going to trace folder. Okay, now let's rename this folder. So I'll be using, for the sake of the video, I'll be using dash. Okay, and I'll click enter. Now we're going to bring our cursor right on the folder, and we're going to right click and we are going to scroll down to properties. Okay, so under the attributes, we're going to check this box also hidden. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to move up to customize. Going to click on this, and we're going to come down to change icon. We're going to click on this, and here now we are going to look for a folder that was invisible. Okay, so here is it. We have one here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click OK, and then we're going to click on apply and OK. Now, but it is right here. This is the reason why I named the folder dash. Okay, for us to find where the folder is. Okay, so here is it. Now, what we're gonna do now to prove to you that actually the folder can contain any kind of file. Okay, I'm going to drag this particular picture. Okay, I'm going to drag this particular picture, sorry, into the folder. Okay, now let's open the folder. So here is it. It is right here. Double click on that, and here is the file. So if we double click on that, we have the file. Okay, so that's a trickish way you can create an invisible folder. We've come to the end of the video. I'll be much glad if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other question or any suggestion or say this tutorial, you can leave it in the comments, and I'll be glad to reply. Thanks for watching.